What is the AppleCare and warranty option that comes with iOS 17.3? Hello everyone and welcome to the new video. In today's video, we will cover a new option that arrived with the iOS 17.3 system. It is about AppleCare and warranty. You will find out what this option is and how you can find it if you stay until the end of the video. To find this option, we have to open the settings on our phone. When the settings open, find the General section and tap on it. In the General section, find the AppleCare and warranty option and tap on it. All your Apple devices that you own will be listed here. If you tap on one, you can see information about your warranty, or you can get support related to that device. Finally, why is this useful? If you are a person who owns a lot of different Apple devices, it is convenient to use this option because you can get all the information related to the devices you own in one place. That's it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Apple tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.